Assalamu alaikum friends. Today in this video we will learn how to make a simple model of a road with curve path. So let's start. First of all we will delete all these objects and add a mesh object plane. Now press 7 for top view. Now we will just add one road texture on this plane. So for that we will go to material properties and, and create a new material. After that we will just gonna add the image texture into base color node, and here we will open for image texture which I have already downloaded. You can also download the raw textures from the internet. There are lots of free textures available on internet, and now you can see I have downloaded this texture. After selecting texture you will see a raw texture object by clicking material preview. We will make a little settings of a material by decreasing specular of texture. It looks better now. And now we are just gonna add one array modifier into this road. Now we will add a curve path. So press Shift plus A and add a curve path. Now we will again select road object again and choose this fit type as a curve. Now select this curve to nose path. Now you will see like this. Now go to edit mode again and select this null path. If you will extrude this curve path, you will see a road will extrude it again this way. Now again select this road object and add another modifier to curve. Minimize this array modifier and go to curve object and select nerve path again. Again we are selecting this nerve path and go to edit mode. Now extrude this road object. You will see a beautiful road is extruded. Press 1 and extrude it again like this way, like over base. You will see a beautiful and simple realistic road. Again extrude this way. So friend, you definitely like this video. If like, then subscribe my channel and also comment in the comment box. Thanks a lot.